Building credit may not be on your radar yet, but it should be. Financial independence and your dream job may depend on having a good credit score. Credit is the ability to borrow money with the understanding you will pay it back, often with interest. Your creditworthiness is your ability to pay back what you borrowed. U.S. lenders judge this based upon your repayment history, which is reflected in your credit reports and scores. A good credit score means you're more likely to pay what you owe. The higher your score, the more lenders will trust you. Every time you make an on-time payment, lenders, like Empower, report this repayment to the various U.S. credit bureaus. Each on-time payment helps you build a better credit score. Many financial milestones in your future will depend on your credit score. For example, renting an apartment, buying a car or a house, or getting a credit card. A good credit history can unlock all kinds of opportunities for you, even a job. Many employers will check your credit history to make sure they're hiring the right person. Making on-time, consistent payments of any loan, whether for a credit card or a student loan, is a great way to begin building credit history. When you take a student loan with Empower Financing, you'll be investing in your education and your financial independence.